Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Hey, I'm looking at these two grills. The Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Genesis 2E315. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Nexgrill is definitely more portable, right?
Absolutely. It's a tabletop grill, only about 28 pounds. The Weber is a beast at 148 pounds. Definitely not moving that around easily.
True, but the Weber has way more cooking space. The Nexgrill has 263 square inches, while the Weber boasts 669. That's a huge difference if you're cooking for a crowd.
Yeah, good point. But the Nexgrill is a 2-in-1 grill and griddle combo, which is pretty cool for versatility.
That is neat. Does it have a temperature gauge?
Yep, it does. Built in. Makes it easier to keep track of your cooking temps without lifting the lid all the time.
Handy. The Weber is iGrill 3 compatible, but you have to buy that separately. Another thing to consider is the BTU output. The Nexgrill has 13,500 BTUs.
And the Weber?
The Weber cranks out 39,000 BTUs with its 3 burners, so it's going to heat up much faster and probably give you better searing.
Okay, power definitely goes to the Weber. What about fuel?
The Weber Genesis 2 E-315 is natural gas, which is great if you have a hookup. But the Nexgrill is designed for liquid propane, making it more versatile for camping and tailgating.
Right, propane wins for portability. It seems like the Nexgrill is better for small spaces and taking on the go, and the Weber is for serious grilling at home.
Exactly, and the Weber is a bigger investment, I think.
Definitely. Plus, the Weber is currently unavailable. That makes the decision easier right now.
Haha, true that. So Nexgrill for now, maybe Weber later?
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for helping me break it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.